Good evening, everybody. It's Jamie from Heavenly Dream Fairy Goats, and I'm just doing a evening video. It's a little after 5. We got to go out and check on everybody. My husband's feeding the kitties. Got their canned foods and fresh food, and he's getting canned food and dry dog food for the dogs and getting them separated so they have something in their bellies for tonight. Jack's gonna hee-haw because he wants to say hi. So, as he got to say that, and then you got Mr. Hercules here, my husband's coming 5-year-old Maverick Medicine Wild Mustang. And as you can see, we got his top up there fixed. Let's see if I can, no, it's not gonna let me. I was gonna try to zoom in so you guys could see. We cut logs, or my husband cut down trees and put them in there and then fastened it up some more so the cattle paddles won't collapse. And then Mr. Hercules will have a shelter that won't collapse on him. So our plan this week is to get the garage cleaned out, get the Nissan moved out, get spaces moved in there, put some baby pens in so our babies can be in there while we have the cold temperatures till they're old enough to come out, and put in the middle pen and get my milk stands put in there. So that is a goal that we're going to try to get done this week. Here's some of the ladies. That's Cal, Ariel. Mr. Lancelot's only going to be in here till the 15th, so he's got just not very many more days, actually. There's Lena, she's the first one due. There's Ariel. That is Lacey, Lena's daughter. Everybody else is inside. Here comes Basil. Bailey. Those two are twins out of Blaze. There's Christy. Cinderella, my old girl. That passed away last year in November. Here comes Buttons, Bella's daughter. Let's see, does anybody else want to come out? Yep, there's Callie, that's Cal's daughter. Boy, you constantly want to be up in the videos of everything, don't you? You're just a sweetheart. Well, I guess nobody else wants to come out, but there should be Blaze in there, Anna, Bella. There's a just hopping around. 2, 4, 6. Should be one more doe in there. Abby. There's Bella. Let's see that belly if I can get her. There you go, baby belly side. There's someone else standing there. I think that's Blade. No, that's Anna. Hi, Bella. What you thinking, Lancelot? Well, since nobody else wants to come out, we'll go this way. And of course, in this pen here, we've got our old girl, Odessa, and Samson, which they're in there somewhere, laying down right there in the corner. You can't hardly see them, but they're in there. And then there's Jack, Kobe, Angus, Zorro, I see. Jack? What's the deal, boy? Huh? What is it? What is it? Oh, what is it, boy? What is it? He just loves lovin's. Yes, he does. He just loves lovin's. What? What you talking about? Huh? What? What is it? Huh? What is it? You're okay. Yes, you are. You're okay, Jack. It's okay. Yes. Oh, the poor boy. But you're staying warm in your blanket, aren't you? Yeah. And my husband's mixing up Mr. Hercules grain for the night. Where is Zeus? Where's Zeus? Is he in there? And then I gotta come up here and get Diamond her grain for the evening. I also wanted to try to work with her a little bit. I'm going to lift my grain thingy off. And we left this open from this morning. What you think, Diamond, huh? What you think, girl? What's your think? Oh, what's your think? Yeah? Is that good? You gotta back up. Yeah. You gotta back up, girl. Back up. Back. Come on. Back. That's a good girl. Turn around in here. To show you a little bit of green. I give her just a little bit so she knows I got it. What is this different than your bucket, huh? Yeah. A little different than your bucket, huh? Can't wait to see what she sheds out to be. Will she be a silver Grula? Or will she be a smoky Grula? Who knows? I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. Nice beauty. What's he doing? Yeah, is he eating? Yeah. He's like looking. I want kisses. Don't you? We just want kisses. As who does. I just want kisses. Yeah, who does? I just want kisses. Yes. Who does? Who just wants kisses? Yeah. Who just wants kisses? You can be up inside the phone there. You can come in here. Your grain's in here, honey. She's got plenty of hay over there. Probably got a little over a bale and a half sitting out there. Are you gonna go eat your grain? Huh? Are you gonna go eat your grain? Does it give kisses? Do you give kisses? Is it a good girl? Yeah? Is you just a good girl? I don't have no treats. I just put your grain in there. Yes, I did. I just put your grain in there. You gotta go eat your grain. Yeah. Go eat your grain, girl. You can go eat it. Yeah. You can go eat your grain. Yeah. You can go eat your grain. Yes, you can. You can go eat her grain. Yeah. Yes, you can. You can go eat your grain. Go get it. I love that little white spot right there on her nose. Yeah. There's a silly girl. At least you're staying warm. I gotta whack her gate. Latch it. That's all we can. Sorry, everybody. There we go. Say we were pretty cold today. -2. Only a high of 10 or 12. Your grain's in there. You need to go eat it. If I leave, will you go in there and eat it? I know you just want to keep being petted. Yes, her does. Her just likes to be petted, yes. Yes, her does. Her just likes to be petted. You got the itchy still underneath here? Huh? You still got that itchy right there? You don't seem like you're not stretching your neck out too far. Hmm? Not stretching your neck out too far. Yeah, I'm not stretching your neck out too far. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy your grain. And then we look at who's up there. Milo, you already done eating? You already ate all that? Wow, boy. I'm going to say, where in the world is... Of course, I just have a little bit of trouble right here. Trying to get it to be out of there. I'm going to hook it up to this one right here. Tarps don't bother you, Diamond? So of course they don't. Mom, you desensitized me from them. They don't scare me. Well, that's right. I did, didn't I, Diamond? Yeah, I did a lot of stuff backwards that I should have done beforehand instead of desensitizing you so quickly. But I'm having trouble getting this on there. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Sorry, everybody. Hopefully you can see I'm putting it between my legs. I'm trying to get this down there. And of course, this one to give away. Oh my goodness, I'm about ready to... Try this again. Swing it down there. See if I can't get it on there. There we go. If it's not fully over like it should. Close enough, I think. And it goes in. This is Dixie. See you later, Diamond. See you tomorrow morning. Stay warm. There's Zeus. Oh. It would be nice to get my milk stands back over here, so then I can get everybody's feet trimmed, because everybody needs it. Hi, Kobe. Mr. Jack, again. Want to say bye to everybody? Huh? Someone say bye to everybody. Sounds like my husband's inside there talking to everybody. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Stay tuned for kidding season to start in just under 2.5 weeks. We'll have live videos of births as long as I can catch them, and those will be posted. Remember, kids' names for girls are jewel names. The boy kids will be metal names. You got to go to my Facebook page and post what you guys would like, and they're going to be in order as the posts come in. So thank you, everybody, for watching. He's getting all the snow off, and we'll see everybody tomorrow. God bless.